Superman lives in a big city. He is tall and strong. He wears a blue suit and a red cape. People in the city know him. They like him. He helps people. He can fly. He can hear far sounds. He can see very well. He is not just strong. He is kind too. One day, the sun is bright. The sky is blue. There are many people on the street. Some people walk. Some people drive. There are children in the park. They play and laugh. Everything is fine. Then, Superman hears something. It is a loud sound. He looks around. He sees black smoke. He flies high to look. There is a tall building. It is on fire. The smoke is thick. It goes up and up. Superman comes down to the street. Many people are there. They look up. They look afraid. A woman cries. She holds her face. Superman walks to her. He says, "What is wrong?" The woman says, "My son is inside. He's on the 3rd floor. He cannot come out. He is too small. Please help him." Superman says, "I will help." He looks up. He sees a window. There is fire near the window. He flies to the window. He looks inside. It is very hot. There is fire on the wall. There is smoke in the room. He goes inside. He moves fast. He looks around. He sees a small boy. The boy sits in the corner. He cries. He holds a toy. Superman walks to the boy. He says, "Do not be afraid. I am here." Superman picks up the boy. He holds him close. He says, "Let's go." He flies out of the window. The fire is big, but Superman is fast. He comes down to the street. The woman sees her son. She runs to him. She hugs him. She cries again, but now she is happy. She says thank you again and again. People clap. They smile. They say, "Thank you, Superman." The boy looks at Superman. He says, "You are my hero." Superman smiles. He says, "I am happy to help. Let's always take care of each other." Then he looks up. There is more work to do. He flies into the sky. He wants to help more people. Lesson 2. Later that day, Superman walks near a bank. The street is busy. Cars stop and go. People talk and walk. Everything looks normal. But then there is a loud sound. It is a bang. People look around. They see 2 men run out of the bank. The men have black bags in their hands. There is noise inside the bank. A woman screams. The door is open. The alarm rings. Police officers run out. They shout, "Stop them." The 2 men run fast. They push people. They run to a small car. Superman sees everything. He stands on the street. He flies up into the air. He follows the men. Where do they go? What do they want to do? Superman flies faster. He sees the car. The men get in. But the car does not move far. Superman flies in front of the car. He holds out his hand. The car stops. The men try to open the door. They want to run, but Superman is there. One man says, "Let us go." But Superman says, "You cannot take what is not yours." He opens the door. He takes the bags. He gives them to the police. The police run to the car. They catch the 2 men. One officer says, "Thank you, Superman. You help again." People on the street clap. They take photos. They smile. A small boy asks, "What is inside the bag?" His father says, "Maybe there is money." The bank needs it. Superman says, we all must do what is right, that we must not take things that are not ours. Children wave at Superman. A woman says, we feel safe with you. Superman says, I will always help you. He looks up at the sky. He is ready to help again. He flies high. He smiles. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. Superman is happy. He is a hero. He helps people. He does what is right. Lesson 3. Superman flies over the city. He sees the tall buildings. He sees the cars on the road. He sees people in the park. Everything looks fine. Then he hears something. It is a small sound. It is a puppy. The puppy is lost. Superman flies down. He sees a little brown puppy near a tree. The puppy looks scared. It looks around and makes a soft sound. Superman walks to the puppy. He says, where is your home? The puppy does not move. It sits and looks up. There is no one near. Superman looks left. He looks right. He asks, where do you live? There is no answer. Of course, the puppy cannot speak. Superman smiles. He says, I will help you. Let's find your family. He picks up the puppy. He holds it gently. The puppy stops crying. It feels safe. Superman walks through the park. He talks to people. He asks, did you see a lost dog? Some people say no. Some people say, try the playground. Superman walks to the playground. Children play on the swings. Parents sit on benches. He holds the puppy and says, is this your dog? A girl looks up. Her eyes are big. She runs to Superman. She says, yes, that is my dog. His name is Max. He ran away. Thank you. Thank you so much. Superman smiles. He gives Max to the girl. Max barks and jumps. The girl hugs Max. Her mother walks over. She says, thank you, Superman. You are very kind. Superman says, I am happy to help. He waves goodbye and flies up into the sky. He looks for more people to help. Lesson 4. The next day, Superman flies over a small town. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. He hears something. It is loud. He stops and listens. It is a horn. Then he hears children shout. He flies fast to the sound. There is a yellow school bus. It is near a big tree. The bus is not moving. One wheel is in a hole. The bus cannot go. The children are inside. They look out the window. They look worried. The bus driver talks to the children. She says, stay calm. Help is coming. Superman lands near the bus. The driver says, Superman, thank you. We need help. The bus cannot move. Superman looks at the bus. He sees the wheel in the hole. He says, I will lift the bus. Please move back. The children watch. Superman bends down. He lifts the bus slowly. The wheel comes out of the hole. The bus driver starts the bus. The engine works. She smiles. She says, thank you, Superman. The children cheer. They say, Superman, you are the best. Superman waves. He says, I am happy to help. He flies into the sky again. He looks down at the town. The people smile. The children wave. Superman smiles too. He says, I will always be here to help. This is the end of the story. Superman is a hero. He helps animals. He helps children. He is strong and kind. He makes the world a better place.